Want to know how to install the Yoast SEO plugin on your website? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step process on how you can easily install Yoast SEO and enable it as well. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply head towards your WP admin's dashboard of your website that you had created and head towards plugins right here. Now, once you're on the plugins, just simply select add plugin and then you should be directed to plugin store. Now once you're under plugin store, right here you should be seeing various plugins loading up. Now since we want to download Yoast SEO, just simply type in Yoast SEO and then select search. Now under search results, you should be seeing Yoast SEO on the top of the list. So right here you can see Yoast SEO, the advanced SEO with real-time guidance. So you can just simply select install now right here or just head towards more details. Now once you have installed, it's gonna take a while, and once installed and once you've headed towards installed plugins, you can just simply select activate on Yoast SEO. Sometimes it is shown right here instead of installed, and that's it, you're done. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.